Union Health Ministry issues detailed guidelines for management of coronavirus among children. Guidelines do not recommend use of antiviral drug remdesivir. Use of steroid drugs under strict surveillance only for patients with severe to extremely severe cases. Review meeting to track progress in vaccination drive takes place. Meeting chaired by Union Health Secretary recommends states to prioritize second dose for frontline workers. Health Ministry issues clarification on advisory to states and union territories to not share even system data on vaccine stocks and temperature of vaccine storage on public forums without prior consent. Says the objective is to stop unfair commercial exploitation of the data. India reports less than 1 lakh daily COVID cases for third consecutive day. Active cases fall to 11.68 lakh. Recovery rate climbs to 94.77%. Number of vaccine doses administered crosses 24 crore mark. Ministry of Education releases All India Survey of Higher Education Report 2019-20. Data shows 11.4% growth in student enrollment. Female students comprise nearly 49% of the total enrollment. 11 people die as residential building collapses in Malad West in Mumbai. Prime Minister expresses condolences over loss of lives. Announces ex gratia of rupees 2 lakh each for next of kin of those who've lost their lives and 50,000 rupees to those injured. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to participate in G7 outreach sessions on June 12th and 13th virtually at invitation of UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. British PM says G7 summit is a chance to show the world our values of openness, freedom, democracy and free trade. Asian Games gold medal winner boxer Dinko Singh passes away at the age of 42 due to long battle with liver cancer. President Prime Minister expressed grief over demise of the legendary boxer.